Hello children, welcome to your maths period. Now we'll do page number 113, practice time 1. A. Write the following in words. These decimal numbers has to be written in words. How will you read? 5.3. So you have to write it in words in this way. 5.THREE3. This way you have to write. Second one is 2.65. So how will you write? 2.65. Everything has to be written in words. Okay. So 3 and 4 you can do it as homework. B. Express the following decimal numbers. 0.6. How will you write? 0.6 in decimal numbers you have to write. Then 3.104, 3.10 and 4. This way you have to write. Similarly, 3 and 4 you can do it on your own. Now see, write the following in expanded form. 34.678. How we read this decimal number? Do we say 34.678? No, that will be wrong. How will we read the number after the decimal point? We have to read 678. Okay, so 34, what is the expanded form of 34? It is 30 plus 4 plus 6 upon 10 plus 7 upon 100 plus 8 upon 1000. Why? Because 8 is in the thousands place, 7 is in the hundreds place and 6 is in the tenths place. Similarly, 5.908, 5 plus 9 upon 10. As there is no number in the hundreds place, so we will skip that number and will write directly 8 upon 1000. Then third one is 23.126, 20 plus 3, 23 plus 1 upon 10 plus 2 upon 100 plus 6 upon 1000. So students, fourth one you can do it on your own, the same way as I have taught you. Now D, write the following in standard form. Expanded form has been given, you have to write it in the standard form. So 200 plus 50 plus 7 plus 6 upon 10 plus 5 upon 100 plus 2 upon 1000 is 257.652. Similarly, what will be the answer for this? This will be 1638. This is 4 upon 10 and 100 is missing. So we need to put 0 and then 1 upon 1000. So 1 is in the thousands place. That means 401 will come. This you can do it as homework. Now we'll move on to the next page. That is, convert the given decimals into fractions. How to convert the given decimals into fractions? So students, do you remember the method? You have to remove the decimal point, take the whole number in the numerator, and you have to write 1 in the denominator first, and then write as many zeros are there after the decimal point. See, I'll show you how. See, this way. 4.89 is written as 489. We have removed the decimal point, and in the denominator you have to write 1 first and put as many zeros are there after the decimal. As many digits are there after the decimal. Here how many digits? 2 digits. So we need to put 2 zeros. So 489 upon 100. Second one is 4.809. Together we have to write as whole number 4809 upon 1000. Why 1000? Because after the decimal point there are 3 digits. So we'll put 3 zeros after writing 1. 6.008 is 6008 upon 1000. Same method. Then 8.12, 812 upon 100. Why we are putting 2 zeros? Because there are 2 digits after the decimal point. That's why we are putting 2 zeros. Okay. So 4 and 5th you can do it as homework. 4 and 5th you can do it as homework. Now convert the following fractions to decimals. 3 upon 10, how will we write in decimals? We have to write 0.3. And now we will write 24 upon 100, 0.24. 796 upon 10, how we will write? 79.6. Okay. So 4 and 5 can do as homework. Now, like decimals. Decimals having the same number of decimal places are called like decimals. Same number of decimal places. This you need to remember. Example 3.9 41.3, 5.6, 1279.8, 460.0 are like decimals, each having one number after the decimal point. You just need to concentrate how many digits are there after the decimal point. There are all one number after the decimal point. Similarly, 2.79 and 41.38, 50.68, 1349.75 and 49.00 are like decimals. Why? Because each having two numbers after the decimal point. You can see here 41 and then 50, 2.79 and then 0.38 and then 0.68 and 0.75 then 0.00. There are two numbers after the decimal points. They are all like decimals. Unlike decimals, decimals not having the same number of decimal places are called unlike decimals. Example, 6.73 and 67.3 are unlike decimals as they have different number of decimal places. Now conversion of unlike decimals to like decimals. To convert unlike decimals to like decimals, first find the decimal which is the highest number of decimal places. Now add as many zeros to the right of the other decimal numbers as required so that all the numbers have the same number of digits after the decimal point. Let us see how. Example, 2.3, 34.58, 1.345 and 7.67. Here how many places after the decimal point? Here it is 1 place, here 2 place, here 3 place. So what we have to do, we have to find the decimal which has the highest number of decimal places. Highest number is having this number 1.345. How many decimal places? 3 decimal places. So the number 1.345 is the highest number of digits after the decimal point, that is 3. Now add as many zeros as required to make each of the other numbers to have 3 places after the decimal point. See, 2.3, so we need to write 2.300 as we want 3 digits, isn't it? 34.58, here there are 2 digits, so we need to put 1 0 to make it 3 digit. This is very important, 3, so we need to make it 3 digit after the decimal point, whatever number has been given. 7.67 will become 7.670. So thus 2.300 and this number are like decimals. Now they have become like decimals. Now comparing and ordering decimals. Comparing decimals, decimal numbers can be compared just like whole numbers. We can compare decimal numbers using these steps. Step 1, convert the decimal numbers into like decimals. Step 2, compare the whole number. The number with the bigger whole number part is greater. And step 3, in case the whole number parts are equal, compare the fractional parts of the numbers. The numbers with the greater value in the tens place is greater. And step 4, compare the hundreds and thousands places if required. Example 1, compare the decimals. See, 40.657 and 22.45. So you have to see these whole numbers. You can see the first part, that is 4. See, they have given you the solution. Compare as follows. First you have to convert these decimals into like decimals. Thus numbers will be 40.657 and 22.450. Why? Because here there are 3 digits after the decimal point, so we need to make this number also 3 digit. So we are adding 1 0. Then we have to see the first digit, that is 4, and here it is 2. So 4 is greater than 2, sign will go on this side. Second number is, the numbers represents like decimals, so here we have to compare the number after the decimal point. See, here the whole number is 4 and here is also 4. So see the next number, here it is 8 and here it is 7. So 8 is greater, so sign will go on that side. The numbers are like decimals. Again 0 and 0, they are like decimals. Again 5 and 5 are same. 5 and 5 are same. We cannot compare. See the last digit, that is 6 and 7. Here 7 is greater, so sign will go on this side. Then convert 6.61 and 6.614 into like decimals. Thus the numbers will be 6.610 and 6.614 because this number is having 3 places, isn't it? So we need to make this decimal number also into 3 places. So we have put 1 0. See, here 6.61 and here also 6.61, both are same, so we cannot compare. See the last digit, that is 0 and 4. 4 is greater, sign will go on this side. This way you have to compare. First you have to convert it into like decimals and then compare. This example 2 I will explain you in the next video. Till then you can go through this concept. Thank you.